Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video guys, we are going to install the VLC player on our Windows 10, 11 or any other operating system like 7 or 8. So let's start without wasting our time. So open your favorite browser, whichever you use, and once you open that, you need to type a download VLC media player, and the first result, as you can see here, download VLC media player. Just click on download official, and once you reach on this page, we need to click on this option download. We have to wait here guys for some time, as its exe is going to download automatically. Okay, you can also go to this link as well. So once it is downloaded, go to the download section and simply double click on its exe and run it. Let me show you. It is okay, we need to choose here the 64-bit. okay, and then it will start downloading here. I have chosen the 32-bit, but you need to wait here, and as you can see, this one is 64-bit. so you need to select this step and then click on 64-bit. okay, once exe is downloaded, just run the exe and it's simple. So hope this video is useful for you guys and helpful for you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.